Hi everyone, just wanted to give a quick starter video on my plans, hopefully for the next few months. Probably be longer, but let's say the next few months. The plan is to rebuild my Eureka. I'm going to switch the camera here somewhere. Maybe I'm not. Okay, I'm not. I do have a new engine to put inside it, which is sitting here, which I bought quite a while ago. And as you can see, under the engine area, it's quite empty. So my original plan was to just get the engine put in. It is a Subaru EJ20. I have a transfer adapter plate sitting here. But then when I took the covers off it a couple of weeks ago, I found that some mice had made a house in it. So now I need to do a complete teardown. So I bought this car when I was 18 and drove it for about 3 or 4 years, I believe. And then took it off the road to install a new engine. Issues happened with that new engine, and so here I am now, 20 odd years later, 30 odd years later, 20, ready to rebuild it finally. So my plan is to put a video up of my stages on this to see, just for people to follow through if they'd like, and we'll see how she goes. All right, thanks a lot. Here's inside, so you can see the extent of the damage the mice have done. So I'm going to just try and give it a bit of a vacuum out now, because it is quite pungent in there, and that way hopefully it will air out over the next few days. And then I need to work out how to remove the body from the chassis and start building it from the ground up again, because I need to know the extent of the damage these mice have done inside the bodywork. So here we are after giving it a bit of a vacuum. It's in a cleaner state. I wouldn't say it's a better state, but it's definitely cleaner. The aroma's not as bad anymore. So the next step will be to remove the door and then work on the body. And yeah, so hopefully I can keep these sort of videos going over the next however long it's going to take, and we can get her back up and running. Awesome. Thanks, everyone.